Hello, everyone. Today, we are diving into HeyBoss AI, an innovative AI productivity tool revolutionizing how small and medium sized businesses operate online. HeyBoss AI, the AI agency, offers an all in one no code AI builder for websites, apps, stores, and various business tools. It promises to launch professional, mobile friendly sites in just 10 to 30 minutes using simple prompts, eliminating the need for technical skills. HeyBoss's core AI features align with what you would expect. AI-powered generation of diverse digital assets. This includes everything from landing pages and e-commerce stores to portfolios, blogs, and even internal tools, all generated with AI. You can clone existing websites, redesign current sites, and set up local businesses with integrated Google Maps and SEO. It also boasts a built-in CRM, email marketing, payment acceptance via Stripe, logo generation, and fully managed hosting. The efficiency gains are undeniable, launching a site in minutes compared to weeks with traditional agencies, and at a fraction of the cost. However, there is a crucial aspect to consider: the pricing model, particularly the AI credit system. While monthly plans range from $24 to $80 per month if you purchase the annual plan, covering hosting and marketing, the initial build phase requires AI credits. This credit system limits heavy usage, unlike unlimited plans offered by some competitors, meaning power users need to manage their credit consumption. It is an honest take on value versus cost. While the initial investment is lower than agencies, continuous heavy building could add up. So, what is the final verdict on HeyBoss AI? Based on its publicly stated features, positioning, and roadmap, HeyBoss AI is shaping up to be a powerful platform for founders, solopreneurs, and small teams who want to build websites and apps faster using AI. That said, if the platform delivers on its promises, it has strong potential to become a leading AI native website and app builder. If you are curious, the best way to evaluate it is to start with the free plan and explore how the AI credit system works for your own workflow. This video was created using HeyGen AI. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.